Hello everyone, this is Mahesh. I am explaining about microwave simulation by internship providing a matrix embedded system internship. Here is, here is my friends. We are the team. I am K Mahesh and my friend is Jagdish and Ramarjuna and Veer Venkat. These are my teammates. We are going to explain about internship program, what is requirement, and how we done the project, and how we explain how we construct the simulation. These are we discuss about this presentation, and topics learned during this internship is these are the topics. We are mainly learning the C language basics and embedded system based C language, and PixSimLab, how to we use PixSimLab, and how we perform the project in the PixSimLab, and IDE platform by the writing code, how we writing code, and finally in last sessions we learn build our resumes, and soft skills, how we talk like that in attending this workshop. We learn these things. After that, these are the contents of the going to explaining about. First topic is microcontroller versus microprocessors, and PixSimLab, CLCD, matrix keypad, ISR timer, and project, and implementation. These are the big contents what we discuss about further slides. After that, first of all, what is micro oven? The micro oven is one of the device that is used to heat the food. In this project, in this sentence, we are learn there are 4 types of modes in the micro oven. First mode is micro mode, and second mode is grill mode, and third one is convection mode, and fourth one is start mode. And coming to the grill mode is the normal traditional way to cook the food, and it is maximum power is 900 watts, and the grill mode is also same as the cooking purpose, and which is used for meat and bread to heat the food. And convection mode is particular device that is 30 minutes preheating, and after that it is off. These are the modes we learn in the internship. And next, requirements of the project. IDE is used to write the code, and X8 compiler is used to compile the code, and the PixSimLab is used to simulate the project, and construct the project by using the PixSimLab. These are the prerequirements for the what we are learning. And after next slides will be explained about my friend Veer Venkat. Continue these slides.
Hello everyone. Today what my friend was said about the previous slide, I am going on with microprocessor and microcontrollers. Microprocessor is a device which performs on the specific task by the programming written by the user, but microcontroller is a having a integrated peripheral devices like RAM, ROM, and other devices, timers and clocks. But microprocessor is a device which is used for general purpose and used for personal applications and commercial applications. But having in peripheral devices with integrated by the from input and output connections, it does not having integrated peripheral devices like RAM, ROM. We have to integrate from the outside by using the input and output ports of a microcontroller. And next we have gone with in MKP, matrix keypad, which is used to connect the input user by our application and the user application, and it has configuring the input and output lines by using the row and column operation. Row operation is allocated to the input lines, and column operation is allocated to the output. Microprocessor and microcontroller Microprocessor and microcontroller were used for special applications, and microcontroller having the number of examples like 8051 microcontroller, and it has a number of peripheral devices, number of integrated devices like timers and clocks and RAM, ROM, and etc. But by using microprocessor, we have to integrate peripheral devices like RAM, ROM from the outside onwards. But from the outside onwards from the outside onwards uh, from the outside onwards like RAM, ROM, and timers and clockers. SIM 167877A is used for serial communication and is an emulator for performing and developing the embedded system microcontroller board, and it used to communicate user interfacing device between the user and microcontroller device, and it having a number of input and output lines, and having a clock range of 2 MHz to 20 MHz, and it used for having a emulator circuit and performing many some applications by using embedded system devices. Due to this we are using in this project for PiximLab 167877977A. So due to this 20 Hz megahertz clock, we having a highest clock speed and performing instructions very quickly by using this microcontroller with PiximLab. CLCD is a character liquid crystal display, and it having the two types of 16:2 display and 16:4 display. In display the ASCII character and special characters also, and having two types of communication modes and 4-bit and 8-bit. And an interrupt is a communication process and set up in a microprocessor interrupts. Microprocessor and microcontroller in which an internal or external device request MPU or MPCU to stop the processing. Then the MPU or MPCU acknowledges the request, attends to the request, and go back to the processing it was got interrupted. It having a hardware and software interrupts. Maskable interrupt means on. It will be on or off by using the main processing, but hardware interrupts does not on and off. But hardware interrupts in non-maskable interrupt does not on and off while making main processing. It has a trap 5.5 or stripe 6.5 in microcontroller in 8051, but having a software interrupts of set flag or overflow flag, etc. ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. ISR attends to the request of an interrupting source by clearing the interrupt flag and should have registered constraints that may be affected by the code in the ISR. It must be terminated with the instruction read, and an interrupt occurs, then MPU completes the instruction being executed when it disables global interrupt enable, places the address from the program counter on the stack. Timer is an important application in a embedded system which default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation that is synced with the system clock and external device. It has many applications for measuring time and generating delays. Timer is a count the time intervals between the events and having a resolution of 8 or 16-bit. It maintains up count and down count and quantum, which depends on the ratio of 1:1 and 1:8. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today what my friend was said about the previous slide, I am going on with microprocessor and microcontrollers. Microprocessor is a device which performs on the specific task by the programming written by.
Let us see the output of the project. I am taking some screenshots regarding to this project. That is the first will be appear in this like the power on. After that it will be display the four modes. That is the already we discussed about that modes. What is micro mode and grill mode, convention mode, and fourth one is start mode. If we on the micro mode, then you will be press the first button and then it automatically on the microwave mode. And second mode is grill mode. If you want to on the grill mode, then you press the second button. After that it will be start, and start that automatically 30 minutes it will be region. It will be continue the timing. After completing 30 minutes it will be off. These are about the requirements. These are the these are the some procedure regarding to this fixing lab. After thank you for giving this opportunity, and after how it will be simulate and how the code is work, and everything will be explain the Jagadish, my friend Jagadish will be explain about these things. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
My name is A. Jagadish Venkat Sai. I am from Pragati Engineering College, currently pursuing third year BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Now I am going to explain about the demo of micro oven. Let us start this micro oven. To start this micro oven, I am clicking this reset button. It shows powering on, means it is on. It displays four modes. First one is micro mode, second one is grill mode, next convention mode, and the last one is start mode. Let us go with this micro mode. If we want to enter into the micro mode, I want to click the number 1. So let me click this number 1. When I click number 1, it shows power equal to 900 watts, means it takes 900 watts. After this, it asks us to enter the time. The blinking area is the seconds and this is the minutes. Now let us enter the seconds. Let me enter 30 seconds. 3, 0. I entered the 30 seconds. If I want to clear these 30 seconds, I can use the star button. When I click the star button, the seconds become 0. So let's try it for the minutes. 30 seconds, and I'm entering 1 minute 30 seconds. The 1 minute 30 seconds. If I want to clear these minutes, I have to use this star button. See, minutes become 0. To enter this time, I want to click this hash button. When I click this hash button, the 30 seconds is entered and this timer starts. Fan also starts working. Here there are 3 options. 5 is for pause, 4 is to start, and 6 is to stop. If I want this oven to pass, means to pass this timer, I want to click number 5. When I click this 5, the oven stops, timer also stops, and fan also stops. If I click number 4, it again starts, and if I click number 6, it comes back into this option. Now, this is about this micro mode, and let's go with this grill mode. To get into this grill mode, I want to press number 2. When I press number 2, it again comes to this time entering. I want to enter the time. Again, I am going to enter 30 seconds and I am entering the time. It again shows the same display. Number 4 to start, number 5 to pause, and 6 to stop. I am pausing this by clicking 5. And if I click number 4, it starts from where it stops, from 18. And again if I click number 4, it incremented by 30 seconds. If I want to come out of this mode, I can click number 6. It again comes back into the mode display screen. Here the third one is convention mode. If I click number 3, it goes into the convention mode. initially it asks to enter the temperature. We have to enter the temperature. So I am entering 60 degrees. See 60 degrees. We can also clear this temperature by clicking the star button. See, when I clicked the star button, it becomes 0. Now again, let me enter 60 seconds and enter the value. When I enter, it asks for preheating. It starts from 180 seconds, means 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes to reach the oven to the 60 degrees Celsius. So it takes 60 degrees. It takes 5 minutes to reach 60 degrees. Let us wait for this 5 minutes. "90 seconds more, so let's wait for this 85 seconds and then we can see what's happened." Let's wait for few minutes. Here the timer is running and fan also running. Another 60 seconds. One minute. Let's wait for 1 minute. Sorry, 30 seconds. Ten seconds. The time is up and it comes to this time entering mode. Now here we have to enter the time, how much time we have to cook. So I'm entering 30 seconds. Again I'm entering by clicking S. See, I can also use this buzzer. When I on this buzzer, after completion of this 30 seconds, this buzzer starts sounding so that I can know the time is up. The options are same. If I click the number 5, it pauses, and if I click number 4, it starts again, and again if I click number 4, it incremented by 30 seconds. Let's see this buzzer after the 30 seconds. Wait for 30 seconds. See, the sound comes from this buzzer and it stops automatically after some time. Now it again comes back to this mode, display screen. The last mode is the start mode, and if I enter the number 4, it goes into the start mode. It automatically takes 30 seconds. We does not require to enter the time. It directly takes 30 seconds and remaining options are same. If I click number 4, it incremented by 30 seconds. 40, 42, and if I click number 5 it pauses, and if I click number 4 again it continues, and if I click number 6 it comes back into this more display screen. Okay, this is about the demo. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.